What does God look like? People imagine God in many different ways. Here's how different religions commonly perceive the appearance or representation of God. Christianity often views God as a fatherly figure, sometimes depicted as an old man with a beard. Jesus Christ is a central figure, representing God on earth. Wicca worships nature, the god and goddess, in various forms. Thelemites view divinity as a personal experience, often represented symbolically. Unitarian Universalism encourages individual exploration of the divine, with no fixed image of God. Islam discourages any physical representation of God, or Allah. Allah is considered beyond human comprehension and is not depicted visually. Judaism is similar to Islam. Visual representations of God are discouraged. God is considered to be formless and infinite. Ahura Mazda is the supreme god in Zoroastrianism, often depicted as a wise, fatherly figure with a beard, symbolizing wisdom and goodness. The teachings of Baha'u'llah form the foundation of Baha'i beliefs. Baha'i teachings state that God is too great for humans to fully comprehend, and based on them, humans cannot create a complete and accurate image of God by themselves. Hinduism has many deities with various forms, like Vishnu, Shiva, and Durga, each with unique appearances and attributes. Buddhism generally does not focus on a God figure, but on the teachings of the Buddha. Some branches, like Mahayana Buddhism, have bodhisattvas, who are enlightened beings. Jains do not believe in a creator God either. Instead, they focus on self-improvement and enlightenment, venerating Tirthankaras, who are teachers and spiritual leaders. In Sikhism, God, Waheguru, is seen as formless, timeless, and invisible, and is not represented in a physical form. Ekankar emphasizes a personal connection with the divine rather than a physical form. In Taoism, the focus is on the Tao, a fundamental principle that is the source of everything. The Tao is not a god and is usually not personified or depicted in human form. In Shinto, the traditional religion of Japan, there isn't a single supreme god, but rather a belief in kami, which are spirits or deities associated with natural elements like rivers, trees, mountains, and also ancestral spirits. Tenrikyo emphasizes living a joyful life. God is loving and parental. Every religion has its own unique understanding and way of representing or not representing the divine, reflecting a diverse range of beliefs and practices. Some think of God as a person, others as a bright light, or as nature around us. What God looks like can be different for each person, and that's okay! What's more important is how we feel in our hearts and the good things we believe God wants us to do for the sake of humanity.
Hello everyone,
I am
and I'm Suresh,
I am the brain.
and I'm the hand behind Kirtimaan Bhavah. We are on a journey to empower and educate children and parents and you through innovative content and resources promoting global citizenship, environmental awareness, and a spirit of unity beyond boundaries for a brighter, sustainable tomorrow. Do you have a curious question, a fascinating fact, or an insightful comment? We would love to hear it. Your ideas help us learn and grow. Let's keep the conversation going and make this space a vibrant hub of knowledge and inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected.